today we're gonna see the Blue Angels and see what else the day has to offer. Now I need to check out where Terry is. I haven't seen her in a while.
Aircraft 1.5 seconds after. Rolling out in the number 1 jet, now in his second year as the commanding officer of the Blue Angels Flight Demonstration Squadron and the leader of the flight demonstration team, known as the Boss, ladies and gentlemen, Commander Alex Armitage, United States Navy. He joined the team last year, assigned to fly as Blue Angel number 2, right wing in the diamond formation, Lieutenant Commander Jack Kilty. Blue Angel number 3 pulled out. So, ladies and gentlemen, please join us now as we salute the 2024 United States Navy Blue Angels.
Every other year, the Air Force will have the Superbird. By the way.
And salute from Boss Armitage for Lewis Smoke from the team in the ski. Everybody say thank you for being here today, folks.
That was amazing. Or as one guy said, it's the greatest free show on earth. So, how did you like that?
I mean, aside from the traffic and waiting 20 minutes at the gate to get our IDs checked, it was pretty awesome.
Yeah, because I'm German, they don't trust the Germans.
I don't know about that. They did take forever, though. That sure did. But seeing the plane squad below, that was pretty cool. I like that. What did you think?
It was great.
Yeah.
It was
10 million people and a hot 90-degree summer day. You can't beat it.
yeah, but it was actually quite nice with clouds.
Yeah, for sure. We found some shade. It's all good. Harry.
In the brick middle on the left, the seatbelt must be worn and adjusted tightly. You must keep both hands on the steering wheel at all times. Ladies, you're always posing in long hair. There will be absolutely no bumping, swerving, or hitting the rail. At 10:30, the red light will indicate that the ride is over. Please slow down and enter the loading area with caution. Remain seated until directed exit by the attendant. Reckless driving or regular rules will not be allowed, and anyone doing so will be asked to leave the track without.
Hey! Home run! So, how did you like the batting cage?
Horrible. Absolutely horrible performance today. I hit like 3 balls and that was it. And I need way more practice.
Nah man, you had a home run.
A few, I guess. Hey, it's always good to hit some line drives. I picture my enemy's head. Just knock the hell out of it, you know?
Yeah, then that's my last video in Florida. And I'll be heading to Austin soon and see what Texas has to offer. Today we saw the Blue Angels, we saw Terry in the batting cage. Done.